that tied to the back.
Well, you can bring that, if the back took off that way, you can bring it back. That's another thing I was telling him I always did.
It cleans up good. It's just sitting, like I said, for the past month. Right here on this side. Yeah. That side just sticks more, so I've never even used it.
Okay, well that's so it won't go down.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put a transom saver on it.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
All right.
I'm sure.
Okay. There she goes. She's going to St. Augustine. Yeah, baby. It's gonna change the whole game.
Not a whole lot to service in this.
Old project boat. She was leaking oil. So we have to, big old oil stain. We have to change these O-rings right here. All right, Sam, I think you did it.
Hey, we did. Hey, good job.
Well, here's the old cooler. This one came with the boat. Oh, it's got a life jacket in it. Got some stuff in there. Yeah, this one's pretty nasty, ripped up, all soaked. Gonna replace it. Something came.
What is it?
I don't know. Let's see. What do you think it is?
I think it's a Godzilla toy.
Godzilla toy?
Yeah.
I don't know what it is.
I think it's something for your Sam Sandman channel.
For the channel. I think you're right, because it says something coastline on it. Oh, yeah, it's a new boat cooler.
Wait, so I was right?
You were right. We got the new boat cooler. 48 quart. It's metal, not plastic. That's great. Just test it to see if the oil is going to leak after we run it a little bit. We just gave her a good pressure wash. She is ready to go. Ready to roll, man. Put the brand new cooler on. So what we also did is we checked to make sure that this thing is not leaking oil anymore. Filled up this cooler. We turned the motor on for about 3 minutes, almost 5 minutes, get the thermostat going, and just checking for oil leaks, and we got nothing, man. The water's still clean. It's a good little test we did, so that's cool. You never done this before. This is the old school way. Okay, so this battery is off, right? We got the bilge out. Motor is running with the power off. Is that backwards wiring, or is it just me? I'm confused. All right, working this trolling motor here. She's spinning. She's spinning really fast, but in this video, it only looks like it's going really slow. It's funny. All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. I got to keep it down a little bit. Got to keep it a little bit quiet. It is 4:15 in the morning in my neighborhood. Don't want to wake up. Oh, there we go. Don't want to wake up the dogs. We're taking the boat out on its maiden voyage. We finally fixed everything that we needed to get fixed. We're loading it up now. Let's get out there.
I'm still waiting on those measurements, right? It's got the cushion.
Yeah, I got a little.
That's fine.
All right. We got a lot of stuff in the boat.
Don't matter.
Right here.
Okay, that's fine. Stick that somewhere. I guess we're ready to go, Mike.
Okay. See what the fishing's like today. It's kind of high. But I usually do this in canoes and kayaks, so this is a new for me. Yeah, new to the world. So. All right, guys, we're trying to go fishing here. We're doing live mud minnows. Our target species today, flounder, redfish. Hopefully some trout hit it too. So we got 3 guys we're targeting. There we go, fish on. Another mangrove snapper. All right. They got to be 10 inches, but I don't think this is keeping. Oh, see that snap? Snapper. Oh man. See, I'm free lining this line. So when I tossed it out, I just had the line kind of stagnant, but then in the water, it started pulling. So you could see it just going.
He's on.
There we go. Sam said he's on. I need a net. I'm coming. Oh, it's trout. Oh, you don't need a net. Just boat flip. I got. Wait. There we go, Sam. There's your fish. Yes, sir.
Yeah, give me a shot.
Yep, I'll screenshot it for you. Are you ready to hold it? And just like that, self-release. I got a good one of you though. We can screenshot. All right, Sam, you're in the money. All right, you're the official winner. We'll come back for it. Come on. Come on, come back for it. I think we have baby grouper down there just
You're on bottom too.
Yeah, it's sucking it like a thumb. Yeah, the baby grouper, they get it in their mouth, they kind of hold it in their mouth and just wait, and they don't commit to swallowing it all the way. So that's probably what's happening. And then when you reel in, it comes right out of their mouth.
They're down in the bottom of those holes. Just like that.
And the second they swallow it, then you set the hook. Got something. Oh, we got a baby grouper. That's a tiny gag grouper right there. He drug me into the hole. That's a cutie. Get him back. All right, Sam, one. I saw that thing take off, dude. His bobber went whoosh underwater. Oh, I might have to run and get the net, which is on the other side of the boat. Lost it?
Yep.
That was awesome. Yeah. That's what we want. Was it right here, Sam? Huh? Your bait was right here? Yeah, I saw the tail come up. The tail was like this long. That was a big old red. You think he tail whipped you? Cut? He cut you with the tail?
I think he caught it on the
oyster. Okay. God, if you would have brought that big red in.
I know.
That was a winning. I've had a lot of stuff happen this morning, man.
Yeah, you had you a little event.
Here's where it all goes wrong.
Got a lot of water in here.
Yeah, we do. I mean, it's coming in the sides here.
Huh? Is that where what it is? Well, you did put the plug in, right?
Plugs in.
We're going to go back to the dock for a second. Don't worry about it for a while. This other shit going. I think we're sinking.
Maybe the plug's not in all the way.
some gas, Mike. No, push that down. There we go.
Okay, you do it. We're not messing around if we're sinking. Maybe we just need to run it. Get the water out of it. You sure?
I'm sure.
All right.
I'm sure.
Okay.
All right, so we had a number of things go wrong today. I learned a lot of valuable lessons. A lot of valuable lessons today. So we're just now draining the rest of this water out because we had a leak there. Guys, holy cow. This was not on the ball correctly. The thing popped off, snapped my line. It was riding on here while I was driving. It's one of the scariest things I've ever seen. Also, our battery connection wasn't completely connected when we tried to put our depth finder in, because our depth finder wasn't working while we were out there and it was approaching low tide, so we really wanted it to work. So we tried to ground it out and then the batteries did not work, so we had to kind of hot wire it to work. It has been a day. We caught some fish though. We caught some fish. I am completely stressed out, but it's okay. We'll fix it. We'll get it all good. Thanks for watching, guys, and keep it real. We'll get this thing working.
Sail away with me, sail away.